I am Katha Vachika and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is about Devrishi Narad, who was considered the guru of all the celestial beings. He was a scholar and was revered by all. Devrishi has taken the oath of celibacy, and even the Lord of Love, Kamdev, was not able to sway him away from his resolve. After his victory over Lord Kamdev, Narad Muni became very arrogant and started tooting his own horn in front of all the gods. One day he visited Lord Vishnu and again started bragging about it. At that point, Lord Vishnu decided that it is the right time to teach Narad a lesson. In order to do so, Lord Vishnu created a beautiful city, which was obviously an illusion. One day, when Narad Muni was on a walk, he saw the city and wanted to visit it. Narad Muni went to the royal palace and was welcomed by the king Shilnidhi and his beautiful daughter. As soon as Narad Muni saw the princess, he was mesmerized by her beauty and wanted to marry her at once. King Shilnidhi informed Narad Muni about his daughter's Swayamvar, which is a ceremony where the girl picks the groom of her choice from the queue of many suitors. After hearing about the Swayamvar, an idea popped up in Narad Muni's mind and he rushed to Lord Vishnu. Narad Muni asked Lord Vishnu to grant him a wish that he wants to look like Hari, which was a second name of Lord Vishnu. After thinking for a while, Lord Vishnu granted him his wish, and filled with confidence, Narad Muni returned to the city to participate in Swayamvar. While they were waiting for the princess, Narad Muni observed that few of the other suitors were pointing fingers at him and were laughing at him. But he ignored them, thinking that they might be jealous of his Hari form. As the princess arrived, she started walking through the queue and finally reached Narad. One look at him and she started screaming in fear. Taken aback by the princess' reaction, Narad Muni rushed to find a mirror to check his image and was shocked to see a giant monkey looking back at him. In the meanwhile, the princess had put the garland around the neck of a handsome prince who was Lord Vishnu himself in disguise. After realizing that Hari also means monkey and that he was strict, Narad Muni was filled with rage and he cursed Lord Vishnu that he too in his next incarnation has to undergo the agony of being separated by his loved one, and then he has to take help from monkeys to be united again with his love. Lord Vishnu then revealed that it was all a setup and the city was an illusion. The princess was in fact goddess Lakshmi, who was Lord Vishnu's wife in disguise. He had done this to make Narad realize how arrogant he had become and to teach him humility. Hearing all this, Narad at once realized his mistake and apologized. But he was not able to take the curse back. Hence, Lord Vishnu, in his next incarnation as Lord Ram, had to suffer separation from his beloved wife Sita and had to take help from Monkey King Sugriv and Hanuman. We will bring you this story soon. This Katha teaches us the importance of humility and not to let these victories get to your head. So this was today's Katha. Until next time, Namaste.